you to take care of the sniffly pups. I'll see if Katie can come by and help. Sky, I need you to use your goggles and copter to help find the missing pigs.
This pup's gotta... Achoo!
Oh no, Sky, you too?
I have to stay here, huh?
But your little smell's turning me into a big sneezer. Achoo! 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 Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir! Please don't pick me, please don't pick me. Achoo!
Case is on the... achoo! Excuse me. Achoo! Achoo! On it, achoo! Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Pup's gotta... Achoo! Achoo! Ugh.
Ew! Woo!
Wow.
Aw, do we too? Have to? P.U. Who needs a drink?
Keep sniffing, pups. We're getting close.
Achoo!
Achoo! Oops. Sorry. Achoo! Achoo!
Gesundheit.
Excuse me.
Zuma, I need you and your buoy. If Farmer Owl's pigs end up in the creek, we'll need you to bring them to shore.
I'm ready to... achoo!
Say Zuma's caught a cold too.
If I'm ill, I better chill.
Marsh. Achoo!
Achoo! I'm a little allergic to feathers. Uh-oh. Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Now let's see if we can find out what's wrong with... Excuse me, another one? But wait, that one's way closer to the... danger zone. What if I sneeze and scare her? Uh-oh. That tickles my nose. Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Cut! Sorry, Zuma's tail tickled my nose.